Good morning, children. So you are doing exercise 10.3. In the last class, I have explained up to 4 problems in this exercise. So let us go for the fifth problem. Fifth problem in this exercise 10.3 fifth problem. The most important problem this is fifth one. So from a circle of radius 15 centimeters, a sector with angle 260 degrees is cut out and its bounding radii are bent so as to form a hole. Find its volume. Find its volume. From a circle of radius 15 centimeters, this is a circle. This is circle. From the circle they cut out like this. The sector is formed here like this. OAB. The angle subtended at the center of the sector is 260 degrees. This is the radius. This is the arc. The length of the arc of the sector. Here, the radius from a circle of radius 15 centimeters. The radius of the circle is 15 centimeters. A sector with angle 216 degrees is cut out. And bounding radii are bent. OA and OB, they are bent. When you join OA and OB, it takes the conical shape. It takes this shape. Find its volume. So when you join the bounding radii of the sector, when you join OA and OB, it takes the shape of the cone. This value find out. The volume of the cone formula 1/3 pi r square h. Our radius given circle, given radius of the circle. Radius of the circle is equal 15 centimeters. The angle subtended at the center of the sector is x degrees is equal to 260 degrees. The length of the arc of the sector find out. Length of the arc of the sector. Length of the arc of the sector is equal to x by 360 into 2 pi r. X is 216 by 360 into 2 pi. The radius is how much here? 15. Radius of the circle. X by 360 into 2 pi r. So x is 216 by 360 into 2 pi r. We don't know the radius of the sector. Only we know radius of the circle. This you have to find out. This radius equal to slant height of the pole. Slant height of the pole. So, area of the base of circle, area of the base of cone got it. Area of the base of cone the length of the arc of the sector is equal to the perimeter of the circle, perimeter of the base. Perimeter of the base of circle. Perimeter of base of cone. Perimeter of the base. Base means here circle. is equal to length of the arc of the sector. Length of the arc of the sector. Perimeter of the base. Perimeter of the circle is what? 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to the length of the arc of the sector. The both are equal. 2 pi 2 into pi 22 by 7. The radius, we don't know this. The radius of the circle is 15 centimeters into 15 is equal to 216 by 360 into 2 into pi 22 by 7. We don't know this. This is x by 360 into 2 pi r. Sector radius you don't know. Sector radius you don't know. This is. We have only radius of the circle. Radius of the circle means the perimeter of the base. The perimeter of the base is equal to length of the arc of the sector. Perimeter of the base of the circle. Perimeter of the base. Perimeter of the base. Base is circle. Perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r. Circle radius given. That is why 50 centimeters substitute here. This is the sector length. Sector radius you don't know as it is. Both sides 22 by 7, 22 by 7 cancel, 2 and 2 cancel. So R find out. R is equal to this 15 into this fraction becomes reverse. 365, 216. So 6 3 18, 6 6 6 16, 6 6 6 10, 2 3 2 5 3 5. R is equal to 25 centimeters. This is radius of the sector. Radius of the sector. This is radius of the sector equal to slant height of the cone. The radius of the sector is equal to slant height of the cone. Radius of the sector is equal to slant height of the cone. Okay. So, radius of the sector is equal to slant height of the cone. So, L is equal to 25 centimeters. Now, H find out. H square is equal to formula already I told you L square minus R square. L is slant height is 25 square minus R. R is this is radius of the circle 15 square. 625 minus 225. 400. H is equal to 400. H is equal to 20 centimeters. I hope you clearly understood, children. Once again I will explain. From a circle of radius 15 centimeters, sector is cut out. A sector is from a circle of radius 15 centimeters. A sector with the angle 260 degrees is cut out and bounding radii are bent so as to form the cone. So when the bounding radii is joined, so it takes the conical shape. The radius of the circle is 15 centimeters. The angle when it is cut out, the angle made by the center of the sector is 260 degrees. The length of the arc of the sector. The length of the arc of the sector formula is x by 360 into 2 pi r. X degrees is 216 by 360 into 2 pi r. So perimeter of the base is equal to length of the arc of the sector. Perimeter of the base. Perimeter means base is circle here. Circle perimeter means 2 pi r. This is equal to length of the arc of the sector. 216 by 360 into 2 pi r. We don't know radius of the sector. Radius of the sector we don't know. Here this is the perimeter of the circle. Circle radius is 15. Substitute. So 2 cancel. 20 by 7 cancel. So we want R is equal, the fraction goes that side, becomes reverse. So by simplification we got R value. R is the radius of the sector. The radius of the sector is equal to slant height of the cone. The radius of the sector is equal to this radius becomes this slant height of the cone. Slant height of the cone. Slant height of the cone. This becomes the L. R becomes L. So we want the h. H square equal to formula L square minus R square. L is 25 square minus 15 square. 400 you got it. So volume of the cone. Volume of the cone. Volume of the cone. Volume of the cone is equal to formula 1/3 pi R square h. Volume of the cone is equal to 1/3 pi R square h. 1/3 into pi 22/7. The radius of the sector is 25 into 25 into h is 20. So simplify, you will get the answer. Multiply and divided by 21. Multiply all this, divided by 21, you will get the volume of the cone in cubic centimeters. Cubic centimeters. I hope we clearly understood children. Okay. This is a fifth problem. So when you do this, you will get 1018.3 cubic centimeters. When you multiply all these product divided by 21, you will get 1018.3 cubic centimeters. I hope clearly understood children. Next I go for sixth problem. Sixth problem. Sixth problem, children. The height of the tent is 9 meters. The height of the tent is 9 meters. Its base diameter is 24 meters. What is its launch height? The height of the tent. Height of the tent. So the height of the tent is 9 meters. The tent is in conical shape. You know this. This is the tent like this. The height of the tent is 9 meters. Base diameter is 24 meters. 24 meters. What is the slant height? We want the slant height. So, given that height of the tent, vertical height is equal to 9 meters. Diameter is equal to 24 meters, radius find out. Radius equal to d by 2, 24 by 2, that equal to 12 meters. What is slant height? So we have L square equal to h square plus r square. L square equal to h is 9 square plus 12 square 81. 12 square 144. So 144 plus 81, 224. 144 plus 81, 224. So L square equal to 225. L square equal to 225. L is equal to square root of 225, 15 meters. The slant height is 15 meters. Find the cost of canvas cloth required for its cost is 14 rupees per square meter. 14 rupees per square meter. So here cost of canvas cloth required. Canvas cloth required. CSA find out. Canvas cloth. What is slant height? Find the cost of canvas to cover this total cover. PSA find out. PSA of 4. PSA of 4 is equal to pi r into L plus r. 522/7. The radius is 12 meters. L plus r. L is 50 plus 2. 22/7 into 12 plus 27. This is square meters. 14 rupees per square meter. Total cost. Total cost of canvas cloth required. Total cost of canvas cloth is equal 1 square meter is equal 14 rupees. 22 by 7 into 12 into 27 square meters equal how many rupees? So into 14. Yes, 22 by 7 into 12 into 27 into 14 rupees. So 1 2 you will get the answer. Multiply them, you will get the answer. Okay? You multiply them, you will get the answer in the rupees. That is total cost, you will get it. I hope it will get understood. The simplification you do it. Next, I go for 7th problem children. 7th problem. The covered surface area of cone is 1159 5 by 7 square centimeters. The area of its base is 254 4 by 7 centimeters. Find its volume. Here, 7th question. The covered surface area of cone is 1159 5 by 7 square centimeters. Area at its base is 254 4 by 7. Find its volume. Okay, area of its base. The cone is the conical shape. Here given the base area given. This is the base area. The base of the cone is what? Circle. Its area is given. Area of the base. Area of the base. Area of the base is equal to 254 4 by 7 centimeter square. Area of the base is pi r square. Pi r square is equal to 254 for multiple fraction change into improper. 254 into 7. 7 4 the 28. 7 5 the 35. 37. 7 2 the 14. 17. 1778 plus 4. 1782. 1782 by 7 square centimeter. This is the base area. Okay. Now find out the base area given. Find its volume. Find its volume. Anyhow, find 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 1782 by 7. R square find out. R square is equal to 1782 by 7 into 7 by 22. 7 by 22. 7 minus 7 cancel. 11 to the 22. 11 1 is 11. 68. 11 6 is 66. 11 2 is. So 2 8 2 1. So what you got here? R square is equal to 81. R square is equal to 81. R is equal to square root of 81. R is equal to 9 centimeters. The radius of the cone is 9 centimeters. Now, what given here? We have got radius CSA given. CSA of cone. CSA of a cone. CSA of a cone is equal to 1159 5 by 7 square centimeters. So this is also mutual fraction. Change it to improper. 11 CSA of cone formula is what by RL is equal to 1159 into 7. 7 9 is 63. 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 6 41. 7 1 is 7. 7 plus 4 11. 7 1 is 7 plus 1 8. Again once again multiplication. 1159 into 7. 7 9 is 63. 6 carry. 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 6 is 41. 4 carry. 7 1 is 7. 7 plus 4 11. 1 carry. 7 1 is 1 plus 1 8. 8 1 1 3 plus 5 plus 5 8 1 1. So 8 1 by 7. So you check on 3-4 times this multiplication. If it goes wrong, the problem also will come wrong. Again 1159 into 7. 7 9 is 63. 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 6 41. 4 carry. 7 1 is 7. 7 plus 4 11. 7 1 is 7 8. 8 1 1 3 plus 5. So 8 1 1 8 1 1 8 by 7. Got it? This answer is correct. Now, pi value is 22 by 7. Radius, the radius of the cone is 9. L is equal to 811.8 by 7. L find out. L is equal to 811.8 by 7. This becomes reverse. 7 by 22 into 9. 9 and 81. 9 2s are 11 2s are 22. 11 8 88. 11 2s are 7 1 7 cancel. 2 4 2 1. So L is equal to, we got 41 centimeters. The stone height is 41. So here, what they asked me here, find out volume. The volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h. We have R and L here. H you don't know. H square find out. So H square is equal to L square minus R square. The L is 41 square minus R is 9 square. 41 square 1681 minus 9 square 81 1600. So H is equal to 1600. H is equal to 40 centimeters. So we got H. Now volume find out. So volume of cone. Volume of cone. Volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. So 1/3 pi value is 22 by 7. The radius how much got 9. 9 square 9 into 9. The h is 40. That's all 40. Now 3 1 3 3 and 9. You multiply all these 360 into 66. 6 is the 6 is the 6 is the 80 21 0 6 1 2 0 6 7 3 2 3 2 3 7 6 0 by 7. When you divide it by 7, we get the answer here. Cubic centimeters. This is the children. I hope you clearly understood. So, rest of the problems we will see in the next session. Thank you.